Good morning, class. Now we'll be reading Fair Play from Class 6 Honeysuckle book. Fair Play has been written by Prem Chand. Dhanpat Rai Srivastav, who was better known by his pen name as Munshi Prem Chand, he was an Indian writer who was famous for his modern Hindustani literature. He was born on 1880 and he passed away on 1936. He is one of the most celebrated writers of the Indian subcontinent and is regarded as one of the foremost Hindi writers of the early 20th century. Books written by him are Godan and Nirmala. This is all about the author. Now let us move on to the story. Fair Play by Prem Chand is a story about two friends who had to decide what was more important, either friendship or enmity, or a sense of what is right and what is wrong. So basically, this story is about two friends, Juman Singh and Algu Chaudhary, who were best friends, and once they had to decide what is right and what is wrong. That means they have to choose either friendship or enmity. Okay, now let us move on to the story. Juman Singh and Algu Chaudhary were good friends. Both were greatly respected in the village. And whenever one used to go out of the village, the other person used to look after his family. Okay. Juman had an old aunt who had some property. She transferred it to Juman. The condition was that she would stay with Juman and Juman would look after her. For 2 years, everything went very well. The arrangement worked very well. Then the situation changed. Then what happened? The behavior of Juman and his family changed. They started insulting the old lady. Even the little food which was offered to the old lady was loaded with insults. At last, her patience gave way. She realized that she was not welcomed in the house. So, what she did? She asked Juman to give her a monthly allowance to set up a separate kitchen. To this, Juman said that his wife knew best how to run the house. So Juman did not listen to the old aunt. So finally, the old aunt decided to take the case to the village panchayat. Okay. Then the old lady went to the villagers explaining her case. Some villagers showed sympathy. Some laughed at her. Others advised her to make it up with Juman and his wife. That means they advised her to adjust with Juman and his wife. At last, what she did, she went to Algu Chaudhary. He told the lady that he could not go against Juman as he was his best friend. And at this, the old lady asked him, but is it right, my son, to keep mum, that means to keep quiet, and not to say what you consider just and fair? After this, she went away. Okay. Then the second part. Then after that, the panchayat was held under an old banyan tree. Juman said, let my aunt nominate the panch and I will abide by her decision. To this, the old lady suggested the name of Algu Chaudhary, knowing well that he was a close friend of Juman. This, however, gladdens Juman's heart. Juman got very happy because Algu Chaudhary was nominated as Panch. He thought that as his best friend Algu could not go against him, that's why he was very happy. His happiness was only short lived. Algu Chaudhary gave his decision in favor of the old lady. He went and gave the judgment of what is right. So his decision was in favor of the old lady. She said that God lives in the heart of Panch. She meant that as Panch, one was bound to be just and fair. Okay. But Juman was very angry. The incident broke the bond of friendship between Juman and Algu Chaudhary, and the two were not seen together after the case. And Juman wanted revenge on Algu. Okay, now let us move on to the third part. Algu found himself in a tight position after a few days. After a few days, Algu found himself in a difficult situation. What happened? He had sold his bullock to Samju Sahu, and Samju Sahu had agreed to pay the price after a month. Okay, but unfortunately, the bullock died before the date of payment, and Samju Sahu refused to pay the money. So, Algu decided to take this case before the Panch or before the Panchayat. So, a case came before the Panchayat once again. And this time, Sanju Sahu proposed the name of Juman as Panch. Okay, he took the chance and named Juman as Panch. To this, Algu's heart sank. He was sure that Juman would give his verdict against him, but he accepted the proposal. Okay. Though Juman was burning with the desire for revenge, he could not do so sitting in the seat of a judge. He always wanted to take revenge from Algu. But now, as he is in the seat of judge, he could not do so. Rather, he gave the judgment in favor of Algu. And Algu was overjoyed. Algu was very happy. He cried that it was the victory of the Panchayat and it was the victory of justice. He said that God lives in the heart of Panch. Then the two friends embraced each other and they started weeping. They wept, and the tears had washed away the dirt of misunderstanding between Algu Chaudhary and Juman Sikh. Okay, so this is all about the story. What is the moral of the story? Its moral is that when you are a judge, you have no relations like for example, when you are a monitor, you should not see who is your friend or who is your enemy. You should write all the names of the students who are talking. Okay. So friend, now the moral is justice should always be equal. Okay. So this much for today. Thank you.